Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency, Mr. Nuardi, MED. Your Excellency, Mr. Dedi Wahyudi, MPD. Okay, before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Selvia Endia Chayani. My supervisor is Dr. Haji Sutarmo, MEG. Okay, I would like to show my proposal by the title The Correlation Between Students' Learning Style and Their Reading Achievement at 11th Grade Senior High School 113 Koto Kampar. Okay, the first one is a background of the problem. According to Snow 2010, reading is one of the things that greatly affect understanding. Reading achievement is a process of constructing meaning and producing a summary of written text. Then, according to Brown 2000, said that the learning style is one way in which students handle information in the learning process. Brown also defined learning style as one aspect of learning that refers to a learning situation or condition. Based on preliminary research at Senior High School 113 Koto Kampar, the researcher interviewed English teacher to find out how the students' learning style and reading achievement. In this preliminary study, the researcher found that the student learning style can affect students' reading achievement. Okay, next slide is identification of the problem. There are 5 parts in this slide. The first one is some student finds difficult to understand the case vocabulary in the text. Secondly, some students difficult to find the main idea of the text, and then some students be lack of vocabulary, and some students feel not well motivated in the learning process, especially in reading. And the last is students cannot find general information in the reading. Next is limitation of the problem. Based on the identification of the problem, a researcher must focus on researching the relationship between student learning style and students' reading achievement. Okay, next is formulation of the problem. There are 3 parts in this slide. The first one is how is student learning style at the 11th grade of Senior School 113 Koto Kampar, and how is student reading achievement at the 11th grade of Senior High School 113 Koto Kampar, and the last, is there any significant correlation between students' learning style and their reading achievement at the 11th grade of Senior High School 13 Koto Kampar. Next is objective of the research. Point A, to describe students' learning style at the 11th grade of Senior High School 113 Koto Kampar. Point B, to describe is student reading achievement at the 11th grade of Senior High School 113 Koto Kampar. And the last, to examine any significant correlation between student learning style and their reading achievement at 11th grade of Senior High School 113 Koto Kampar. Next is definition of term. The first is learning style. Learning style can be divided into 3, namely visual, kinesthetic, and also auditory. It is according to Dornier 2005, Oxford 2001. Okay, the secondly is reading achievement. According to Ashur Hawamdeh 2007, said that the reading achievement is a teaching is considered important from the exercise teaching. Achievement is a person's ability that has to do with knowledge. Then reading achievement means that the level of achievement of reading skill obtained by student. Next is relevant research. The first relevant research by Setiawati 2090. The second relevant research by Husni 2080. Operational concept. There are 2 indicators this part. The first one is variable x and the variable y. The indicator of variable x is mean learning style. There are 2 parts in this indicator. The first one is reflective style learners, and secondly impulsive styles learners. And then the indicator variable y, it means reading achievement. There are 4 parts in this slide. Research methodology. The design used in this research is correlational research. Correlational research is designed to investigate the nature and strength of functional relationship between variable of interest to the researcher. Next is time and location. This research was conducted from January to February 2022, and the location of this research is Senior High School 1 13 Kota Kampar. And object of the research. Subject of this research are students of class 11 Senior High School 1 13 Kota Kampar, and then object of this research is the relationship between learning style and students' reading achievement. Population and sample of the research. In this study, there are 78 population and also 78 sample of the research. Next is technique of collecting the data. The researcher used two techniques. The first one is a questionnaire and then test. Questionnaire, the researcher used which was adopted from a practical to learning English by Brown 2003. Then test, to measure student reading achievement. The researcher used the total score of students during the process of learning style. For especially reading, the total score is obtained from the accumulated score of assignment, daily test, and final exam that determine the achievement of class 11 students in reading. Okay, the last slide is technique of analyzing data. To analyze the data in this study, the researcher used the person product moment correlation in the SPSS version 24 program. Okay, that's all of my presentation, and I'm sorry for all my weakness. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.